Unlock the next level of a iPod project collaboration by seamlessly integrating Nano Banana with Gemini. First, let's establish the connection within Gemini. Navigate to the Integrations Hub and locate Nano Banana. This is where you'll authorize access, allowing Gemini to leverage Nano Banana's powerful capabilities for your workflow. Once connected, you'll discover new command structures designed specifically for Nano Banana's functionalities. Think of them as specialized tools that enhance your existing Gemini commands. For example, when analyzing large datasets, instead of a general query, you'll now have a specific Nano Banana command to delve deeper, extracting nuanced insights that might otherwise be missed. This integration isn't just about individual tasks. It's about transforming your entire project workflow. Imagine initiating a research phase in Gemini and having Nano Banana automatically curate relevant information, synthesize findings, and even suggest initial hypotheses, all within the same project space. Collaborative applications are where this union truly shines. Teams can now work on shared Gemini projects, with Nano Banana acting as a collective intelligence layer, ensuring everyone is on the same page, analyzing data consistently, and ideating with enhanced, AI-driven prompts. By strategically utilizing Nano Banana's specialized commands and workflow enhancements within Gemini, you're not just optimizing individual tasks, you're fostering a more intelligent, cohesive, and outcome-driven collaborative environment. Elevate your projects, starting today.